Standard 3rd, English. Lesson number 35, Pinocchio. Long, long ago, there lived a king. You will say immediately. No, children, you are mistaken. Once upon a time, there was a piece of wood, a common block of firewood. It was found in the shop of a carpenter. That wood was found in the shop of a carpenter. But whenever he put his tools to the block to cut it, to carve it, or to scrape it, it began to talk. Oh, that hurt. Don't break me, please. Oh, that tickles. It's an imaginary story. Actually, piece of wood is a non-living thing. So, non-living thing cannot speak. But here, the piece of wood is speaking, means it's an imaginary story. Just then, his neighbor Geppetto came in to ask for a piece of wood. Geppetto wanted to make a wooden puppet that could run, jump, and make its way around in the world. So the carpenter readily gave the piece of wood to Geppetto. So the carpenter gave that piece of wood to Geppetto. Geppetto brought the piece home and carved it into a puppet lovingly. So Geppetto made a puppet. As he had no family, he began to think of the puppet as his son and named him Pinocchio. But Pinocchio was quite a naughty puppet. As soon as Geppetto taught it to walk, Geppetto taught that puppet to walk, and he ran out of the hut. He ran so fast that Geppetto could not catch him. A policeman caught him and brought him back to Geppetto. So policeman finally caught that puppet and brought him back to Geppetto. Though Pinocchio was such a naughty puppet, but Geppetto loved him dearly. Geppetto loved him dearly. He would do anything for his son. But Pinocchio was not always nice to his father. Pinocchio was not at all nice to his father. He always promised to be a good boy. He promised to be a good boy and tell the truth and obey his father. But more often than not, he forgot all his promises. Pinocchio forgot all his promises and behaved in a very naughty way. Pinocchio wanted to be a real boy, a real son to his father, and not just a wooden puppet. He meant well, but he was only a little wooden puppet and did silly things he should not have done. You can read about all his antics in a book called The Adventures of Pinocchio, but here are some of them in short. So there is a book called The Adventures of Pinocchio. In this book you can find out many stories of Pinocchio. Pinocchio thought he would go to school. Now Pinocchio is thinking that he could go to school, learn reading in a day. In a day he will learn reading. The next day he will learn writing, and then arithmetic on the day after that. Means 3 days. Within 3 days Pinocchio can learn everything. Then he planned to earn a lot of money for Geppetto. Then he planned, after 3 days of schooling, he is planning to earn a lot for Geppetto. Geppetto felt very happy that Pinocchio wanted to go to school. Pinocchio wanted to go to school, so Geppetto felt very happy, but he did not have the money for the school book. Though it was very cold, poor Geppetto sold his only coat to get the money for Pinocchio's school book. So Geppetto sold his coat, though it was very cold, and he get the money for Pinocchio's school book. Pinocchio started for school. Now Pinocchio started for school. On the way he came upon a puppet show. There was a puppet show on the way. He forgot all about his plans to go to school. The naughty puppet that he was naughty puppet. So what he did, he sold his school book, and with that money bought a ticket to the show. He bought a ticket to the show. When Pinocchio entered the puppet theater, the puppets on the stage saw him. They were very happy to see their brothers. They forgot their play and began to call out to him. They forgot their play and they began to call out to him. In 2 leaps, 2 jumps, Pinocchio was on the stage. They all began to hug and slap one another on the back and jump and clap. People who had come to see the play did not like this interruption at all. They began to shout. Means they created that much nuisance on the stage. People, those who have come there to see the play, they did not like this interruption at all, and they began to shout. The puppet master was annoyed. Now master was annoyed. He decided to throw Pinocchio into the fire. Now the puppet master was became so angry that he decided to throw Pinocchio into the fire. Pinocchio's puppet friends pleaded with the puppet master, please not to do that. Then instead of Pinocchio, the puppet master chose another puppet for throwing into the fire. First the puppet master was thinking to throw Pinocchio into the fire, but when Pinocchio's puppet friend pleaded with the puppet master, please don't do that, then instead of Pinocchio, the puppet master was trying to throw another puppet for throwing into the fire. Now Pinocchio was really good at heart. He was sorry for the other puppet. Very gallantly he told the puppet master that he was ready to burn in the fire. Now see, Pinocchio is ready to burn in the fire himself, and puppet master should spare the other puppet's life. So what happened next, we could see in the next session. Thank you.